wash the germs away. Rubber duck soap so clean, bubble shining hands so keen. Fingers, thumbs in between, scrub them well till they're all clean. Rinse them off, shake, 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 now they're dry. What a break! Wash your hands, keep them clean, make them sparkle, make them gleam. Scrub a dog, wash away, healthy hands every day. After sneezes, after coughs, time to wash those germs right off. Rub and scrub, don't forget, super clean, now you're set. Healthy habits every day, washing germs all away.